Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to offer Afterpay for your equity scheduling appointments? Get choice. Let's set it up in under a minute. Equity scheduling doesn't support Afterpay directly, but don't worry, we have a simple workaround using Stripe. First of all, log into your Equity account and go to Payment Settings and select Accept Payment with Stripe if you haven't already. Next, head over to your Stripe dashboard. Under Payment Methods, enable Afterpay or ClearPay. That's it. Afterpay is now an option for your client at checkout. Make a test booking to ensure it's working, then lets your clients know they can now book now and pay later. Simple, right? Now you are all set to boost bookings and give your clients flexible payment options. Like and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching.